Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So we entered this weekend with blood just flowing in the street, but the crypto market is now consolidating and we see few altcoins are popping up. My name is Majdan Klev from CorionX and we are bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis and altcoin DeFi gems to keep you educated and updated, and we are doing it also in the progress of the crypto minds educational progress. So let's go and check out our favorite bubble charts, but before that, smash those like, push the bell and notification, or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Smashing those like is helping out the YouTube algorithm, so appreciate all your likes. And let's go dive deep and analyze. I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial investment advice, so everything just for your education and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research and make your decisions based on your research. So guys, as you see, Bitcoin is and Ethereum is up almost 1% and they are consolidating, but in the meantime we see altcoins that dropped really huge in last Thursday, Friday. They are popping up like Conflux, Synthetics, ImmutableX, Maker, Optimism, Filecoin, Algorand, and also Hex is pumping. So good to see that most of the altcoins are pumping and turning to green as Bitcoin stopped its dump, and then we see some consolidation. Let's go and check out our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and green index. It is at 47, so we are still in the neutral zone, and this is a kind of consolidation, but investors getting more and more confident that they are entering back to the market. So guys, let's go and check out our first news. Bitcoin price faces last stand as a weekly close threatens 22,000 US dollar retest. So I'm making this video a few hours before the weekly close, so there is no threatening of this 22,000 level at the moment, but we'll see if this will change. So that was the huge drop, and then since then Bitcoin is consolidating. Many are waiting that the Bitcoin price will fall down as a cliff from here, but also that can be a sign like with a Barnes-Simpson pattern, just pumping back to these 24,000 US dollar levels. Analyst warns over fate of 20,000 US dollar. So let's check this. Since the breakdown, Bitcoin has closed each 4-round candles within a 41 US dollar range. So the volatility narrowed, and this is really narrowed volatility. The streak has been broken according to this, and they are monitoring the price, the 22,000 US dollar support. The local resistance support flip zone is the last stand between a retest and the trend line. Meanwhile, trend precognition is indicating a downtrend. We'll see if that changes after the week close. Yeah, so this is the week close that we got here, and we'll see if it can change or not. The trend is the major support level is at 22,000 US dollar and also 21,300. Crucial area for Bitcoin is to hold the 21,300 area. Losing that and we'll see another sweep towards 19,500 ish, and altcoins dropping 15 to 25% they predicted. Van der Poppen nonetheless maintained a more optimistic view overall, suggesting that 40,000 US dollar could still appear in a few months. Moral of the story: dollar cost average and have balls to buy when you don't feel confident. Overwhelmingly bearish sentiment. Yeah, so it's particularly interesting that crypto crash has been a key of an trending hashtag on the platform, even though Bitcoin's mild 5% pullback occurred more than 3 days ago. So guys, crypto Twitter turned bearish and they are posting crypto crash. Typically you can capitalize on this level of negativity on the markets, and this kind of overwhelming bearish sentiment can lead to a nice bounce to silence the critics. So that was a bearish sentiment, as you see. and also this is the total social volume, and buy or sell, buy or buying, or both or bottom, sell or selling. So buy was more likely, but now sell is this is measuring tweets and social media trends. So we see that selling is leading the way. Okay, next piece of news is Bitcoin bull season right around the corner, says crypto hedge fund veteran Mark Yusko. Here is his timeline. I like this image. So Mark Yusko for Morgan Creek Capital, let's quote, but I will argue spring, summer right around the corner. My guess is May's June-ish, 9 months before the halving, and that's the way it goes. Yusko says Bitcoin price will likely react the halvings, and it has in the past, to send the value of King Crypto higher. It's hard-coded into Bitcoin that every 4 years you are going to cut the block rewards. This is the halving. If you cut the block rewards, in theory, a whole bunch of miners will go out of business unless the price adjusts, and the price adjustment creates movement. And we have seen 3 times already. Bitcoin is the most uncorrelated asset it's ever seen in my career. The speculative nonsense like Dogecoin, why does it even exist? I mean, my mind hurts, and I said that bear market would be over when Doge is 0, and I want to stand by that, but I can, because stupid people are going to be stupid. I get it in a debate with this guy, and he's actually a friend. He's like, memes have a value. No, they don't. Okay, so meme coins and Bitcoin maxis are just doing this. So Bitcoin targeting a 10 million US dollar amid rapid global crypto adoption, according to quant analyst PlanB. So guys, 10 million US dollar per Bitcoin. Let's go check this. So according to PlanB, BTC's pace of adoption is about to witness an unprecedented level of acceleration that could bring its price to as high as 10 million US dollar by 2028. If Bitcoin adoption is now 1 to 5%, then we will enter the vertical of the S-curve next couple of years. On log scale left, this just means more exponential growth until 50% adoption. For the linear thinker right, everything will change. Bitcoin might be substantially overvalued. Although I enjoyed Bitcoin adoption the last 10 plus years, especially the investment returns, I am really looking forward to vertical part of the S-curve in the next halving period, 2024 and 2028. So Bitcoin adoption S-curve, as you see, and this is predicting the price 10 million US dollar per Bitcoin. Okay, and Bitcoin adoption S-curve from starting here, and adoption growth rate. Cool. PlanB is well known for applying the stock to flow scarcity model to Bitcoin, which divides the total supply of an asset by the new supply entering the market to forecast future moves in price. Also, he predicted by 2025 the Bitcoin price landing between 100,000 to 1 million US dollar. So, but the main point that 10 million US dollar per Bitcoin at 2028. This is his newest prediction. Next, strategist who accurately predicted 2022 Bitcoin bottom details when to expect next massive Bitcoin rally. He's Don Alt. BTC is being dragged by the traditional markets but refusing to make new lows, while the S&P stocks is bleeding out. The moment the traditional market bounces, I'm expecting a massive outperforming green candle from BTC. Okay, he's updated his outlook, and also altcoin Sherpa. BTC is possible we are seeing a higher low being formed now, but I don't really think so. I think that we are going to see another leg down. So altcoin Sherpa expecting another leg down. Note, I still think we go to 30,000 in the midterm. So low, higher low, and Bitcoin is forming a higher low now. BTC, some mark the top as May 2021, others mark it at November 2021. Either way, it's been a long time during this Bitcoin bear market. So what was the low? Either way, but that hopefully that was the bottom. Next, Jack Dorsey's TBD launches C equal to improve Bitcoin Lightning Network. C equal, pronounced C equals, aims to further to reach a Bitcoin Lightning Network through added liquidity on and routing services. So Bitcoin Lightning Network is a layer 2 solution on top of the Bitcoin and making Bitcoin payments fast and instant. So, and they launched this C equal venture to improve the Bitcoin Lightning Network through tools and services. Great to see this. Since its launch, Lightning Network's liquidity and capacity have witnessed organic growth via real-world adoption. Okay, we want to meet you where your Lightning needs are. Are you a business looking to accept Lightning payments? Yes. A wallet in need of channels or inbound for your customers? Yes. A hardened PlanB veteran looking for your next big source? So, and guys, Jack Dorsey is a former Twitter founder, but he sold Twitter, and now he is 100% in Bitcoin. Next, Xapo Bank becomes first lender to enable near instant Bitcoin payments. Near instant Bitcoin payments means Lightning Network. So Xapo Bank announced it has integrated the Lightning Network and formed a partnership with LightSpark. This collaboration will make the organization the first private bank to accept Lightning payments with a complete license. So the first private bank that providing Lightning payments. Xapo Bank users can now pay instantly for minor purchases up to $100 at any vendor accepting Lightning payments without incurring exorbitant transaction fees or lengthy blockchain confirmations. Xapo Bank bridges the gap using Lightning Network. The platform currently offers a yearly interest rate of 4.1% on US dollars in accounts with a deposit guarantee of $100,000 and will eventually offer up to 1% on Bitcoin. By integrating with the hyper-efficient Lightning Network, we are the first bank in the world to streamline this process and allow to our members to pay for small purchases with Bitcoin without having to convert to USD first. So Lightning Network, Bitcoin payments without converting it to USD. How Lightning works? Lightning Network looking underneath the hood. So this is the Bitcoin blockchain, the main settlement, and this is the top of the layer 2 solution, open payment channels. The Lightning Network is built on top of the Bitcoin blockchain and uses smart contracts to create payment channels between users. These payment channels allow users to transact without the need for each transaction to be recorded on the blockchain. Instead, only the opening and closing transactions of the channels are recorded on the blockchain. A fully fledged bank. So Xapo has received a banking license, primarily membership with Visa and MasterCard, and SWIFT membership since initiating the process in 2019. This means that the company can interact directly with correspondent banks and opposed to going through payment businesses or other parties, and has access to money market accounts. So guys, I don't just worrying about that Silvergate is leaving this crypto market, but others are coming. Ripple CEO warns looming XRP lawsuit ruling will have pivotal implications for crypto if SEC wins. So that would be a disaster. The SEC bringing the case against Ripple was not really just a case about Ripple or about XRP. It's really about the industry, and have the SEC is kind of playing offense and attacking the whole industry. 2.5 years ago when it started, I'm not sure everyone fully digested that. And now that it's widely understood, this is going to be pivotal for the whole industry, because if the SEC is able to prevail, I think there is a lot of other cases, and some of them just in the last 4 weeks, I think they brought 5 additional enforcement cases. The macro headline for me is this is not a healthy way to regulate an industry. Regulations through enforcement, as opposed to what we are seeing in other countries where they are doing the work, they are codifying, they are creating a framework that allows an industry to grow while protecting consumers. Look at the benefits to the United States on a geopolitical basis to have the Amazons and Googles based and headquartered in the United States. We are at, I think, severe risk of having that not happen in this next evolution of technology around blockchain and crypto. It has already started moving outside the United States. So guys, the next Silicon Valley will be not in the United States, and the next Silicon Valley will be built from blockchain and crypto. And also the consumers are suffering because of that, because you don't have the same potential that the US regulatory frameworks can provide. So guys, this is true. I hope judges will recognize it. Flurry of additional crypto companies back away from Silvergate as crypto markets dip across the board. So Silvergate stock plummeted by over 60% in a few days. Yeah, and prominent crypto companies left Silvergate. Crypto investment firm Galaxy Digital says they have no exposure to Silvergate, but will stop working with the bank to ensure its customers' assets are safe. Galaxy has stopped accepting or initiating transfers to Silvergate. As a firm, we continue to have no material exposure to Silvergate, and this action was taken out of an abundance of caution. These steps was part of our rigorous risk management process. Okay. As a precautionary measure in light of recent news, we are no longer processing transfers with Silvergate. Who's that? Bitstamp. Okay. Payment platform Circle says the firm is unwinding certain services related to the bank. We are sensitive to the concerns around Silvergate and are in the process of unwinding certain services with them and notifying customers. Otherwise, all Circle services, including USDC, are operating as normal. Also, what else? ACH, Gemini has stopped accepting ACH transfers to Silvergate. Cool. So everybody stopped working with Silvergate, but hope Silvergate will be alive after this saga. Galaxy Digital reports predicts Bitcoin NFT market could reach $4.5 billion by 2025. So as the number of Bitcoin based ordinal inscriptions nears the $300,000 mark, Galaxy Digital's research team published a report on the subject that says that the market size of non-fungible tokens built on a Bitcoin could reach $4.5 billion over the next 2 years. The researcher at Galaxy think that the new use cases stemming from the inscriptions trend will drive growing interest and adoption for Bitcoin. So new use cases for luxury generative art, historical collectibles, luxury generative art, historical collectibles, limited PFP projects, limited utility projects, and this is the roadmap for how Bitcoin NFTs will spread out. So guys, that's it. Let's go and check out my Twitter feed. Definitely follow me on Twitter at MIKLOSDenkler, and also follow Corian platform and follow laserpunk_gods, our NFT launchpad project that will launching soon, and also CorionX will have a great utilities on the launchpad. And give a love, share, retweet, and comment all the tweets that you see from laserpunk_gods, because then you will be eligible for a legendary NFT. So Bitcoin is finding the bottom on the 2 monthly Heiken Ashi chart and starts a new bull run, and this chart is from trader TA trader Alan, and if it's right, then the next stop 200,000 is inevitable with the floor of 100,000 from here if we are looking on these 2 monthly Hack and Ashi charts, and halving is essential part of this. Cool. Give a like and share. So there is only 21 million BTC. Currently the circulating supply is 19.3 million Bitcoin, so getting close to this quantity to be out. So Switzerland city of Lugano adopted Bitcoin as legal tender 1 year ago today, and also we want to be a center of excellence for Bitcoin. 150 businesses already accepting Lugano's PlanB. Give a like. Bitcoin Swiss is spreading adoption in Zurich with Niklaisen, a friend of mine. Bitcoin doesn't have unprecedented inflation like US dollar has, like this billboard. $1 from 2010 buys 0.42 of goods today. Know why? Yeah, because inflation. Bitcoin is the lifeboat. Jump in. DXY is getting to a major resistance level. If it breaks, bearish trend for Bitcoin and crypto could come, as we are heading into these major resistance levels at 105. Give a like. Yes, my friend Da Vinci, there will be always just 21 million BTC in existence, many of them lost and out of circulation forever. Yes, so time to educate folks. So 21 million. I mistype. I mistype. Laser punks getting there, and also UAE free zone RAGDAO to explore Bitcoin payments for corporate registration, office rent, and other services. So guys, that's it. Let's go and check out what we do have on our farms. Go to PancakeSwap, provide some liquidity and lock up your LPs and earn a juicy 100% APRs on our farms, and also you will get more chance to be entering the whitelist of the Laserpunk gods. So check out what we see on the charts. So Bitcoin is consolidating in this flag, in this channel, and now it is at the lower level of this channel. If this will break down, then a huge drop to 20,000 US dollar is likely. When it bounces, then the next is almost $25,000 upper trend line of this channel. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something. Smash those like, push the bell notification, or just go and stake on your farms. Follow us on Twitter, and also join our Telegram channel. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.